Welcome to How to Play Let It Ride. To play, you'll need a 52 card deck, something to make bets with, and 2 to 8 players. Each player will start with something to make bets with, such as poker chips. Before the cards are dealt, players will make 3 equal bets that are placed before the dealer. Each player is dealt 3 cards, 1 card at a time, and the dealer is dealt 2 cards. The remaining cards are set aside for the rest of the round. The object of the game is to win chips. Chips are won based on how good of a hand each player gets. A player's hand is their 3 cards plus the dealer's 2 cards. If a player gets a pair of 10s or better, they will get paid the amount they bet for the round. As players' hands get better, the more they will be paid out. Going back to the hand that was dealt earlier, each player will look at their 3 cards dealt to them without letting other players see their cards. The players then decide if they would like to withdraw one of their bets. Wade stays, Diana stays, Peter decides to withdraw a bet, and Jess stays. The dealer then flips one of their 2 cards face up. The players decide again if they would like to withdraw another one of their bets. This time, Wade, Diana, and Peter all decide to withdraw a bet. Jess decides to stay. The dealer will flip their second card, and all players will show their 3-card hand. Wade has a pair higher than 10s and is paid out even money on his bets. Diana and Peter did not get better than a pair of 10s and will lose their remaining bets. Jess has a 2 pair and is paid out 2 to 1 on her bets. If you enjoyed learning how to play Let It Ride and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.